Hey y'all, so I'm back with another review. This wig is coming from Outre, however y'all want to pronounce her. She is in the style Leomie and she is in the color DR Brown Sugar Swirl. She is from the Perfect Hairline series, so of course that means that you are able to part her however you want. She do have the measurements of a 13x6. So right now I am pushing the hairline back so I can see a clear view of what I want to pluck. Plucking is always optional. If y'all like how that hairline looks coming straight out the pack, baby, by all means do your thing. If not, this is what I do. I am parting her down in the middle because I want to see how she looks on both sides. It's not going to be identical from the left to right. I didn't want one side looking more plucked than the other. So my guide is actually putting the middle part in the wig. Leomie is a textured unit. I would consider her light yaki because she does have some silk to her. Literally obsessed with this color. That's what really drew me to this unit. She does come with 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. And of course, the elastic band is adjustable as well. So that's what she is giving before I cut the lace, before I add foundation to her, my complexion product. The kind that I had with this unit while I was styling her was how she was layered, or how she was styled with the layers. The layers are actually pretty beautiful, but once you kind of get down to like bottom of the unit and everything, she does come off straight. Now I'm still going in, parting the hair in sections and plucking her down. Once again, this step is always optional. So overall, how I am feeling about Miss Leomie, of course, like I said in the video, the cons with her, I wish the style was a little bit more consistent as far as the curling of the layers and it being a lot more curlier at the ends. Well, not curlier, but a little bit more curled at the ends, bumped a little bit more. You can go in and bump it yourself. The pros with this unit, of course, is how easy this install was. The color of this unit, I believe she is big head friendly. Don't quote me. I do have a 21.5-inch head, but I don't know. She was just missing something to me. You can always customize your units by cutting down the length. Of course, she's a little choppy because she was on my head and I am not a professional. I just kind of snip. I did purchase this unit from Sam's Beauty, so everything about her will be in my description box below. I would love to thank you guys for coming back to my channel and always supporting my channel. I am forever grateful that you guys trust my opinions, especially the ones that's been here for years. Like, I truly appreciate you guys. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I will definitely talk to you guys later, and let me know how you guys are feeling this unit in the comment section below. Peace.